This Rolls-Royce has a $1 million paint job, and from the moment you lay eyes on it, the sheer craftsmanship and attention to detail are impossible to ignore, as this masterpiece is not just a car but a rolling work of art, painstakingly designed to blend automotive engineering with bespoke luxury, starting with the painstakingly applied layers of paint that took months to perfect. Each layer carefully hand-polished and meticulously inspected for perfection, creating a finish that shimmers differently depending on the angle of light, a feat only possible through a combination of innovative paint technology, traditional hand-finishing techniques, and the skilled hands of artisans who have spent decades honing their craft, making every inch of the vehicle not only a visual marvel but a tactile experience where even the smallest brushstroke contributes to an overall harmony of color, depth, and brilliance. And this is no ordinary color either. It is a specially commissioned hue, chosen by the client to reflect personal taste, prestige, and the unique character of the Rolls-Royce brand, with a subtle interplay of metallic and pearlescent pigments that dance across the bodywork under sunlight, giving the illusion of motion even when the car is perfectly still, a technique known as luminescent layering, which requires an extraordinary amount of precision and patience, as even the tiniest inconsistency could ruin the effect. And beyond the paint itself, the car features intricate hand-painted pinstripes and accents, demonstrating the level of personalization Rolls-Royce offers to those who are willing to invest in such unparalleled luxury, allowing each client to imprint a piece of their own identity onto the car, resulting in a vehicle that is both unique and instantly recognizable. And inside the cabin, the attention to detail continues with complementary materials and finishes that echo the exterior's opulence, including hand-stitched leather, polished veneers, and custom inlays that match or contrast with the exterior paint, creating a cohesive aesthetic that speaks to both tradition and innovation. And the choice of paint also affects the way light interacts with the car's curves, highlighting the sculpted body panels that define Rolls-Royce's iconic silhouette, enhancing the sense of elegance, power, and sophistication, which is essential for a car that is not just a means of transportation but a symbol of status and artistry. And the process of creating this paint job is as fascinating as the result, involving collaboration between color specialists, engineers, and master painters who work together to ensure the finish not only looks perfect but lasts for decades, resisting fading, scratching, and environmental damage, which is crucial for a car that might see use across multiple continents, subjected to different climates and conditions. And the $1 million cost reflects not just the materials but the labor, expertise, and exclusivity, as no other vehicle in the world has this exact combination of color, layering, and finishing techniques. And this investment also increases the car's value as a collector's item, making it a rare blend of automotive engineering, art, and personal expression, where every observer who catches a glimpse of this Rolls-Royce cannot help but marvel at the perfection, the creativity, and the audacious luxury that goes beyond typical automotive experiences, highlighting Rolls-Royce's philosophy that no detail is too small when it comes to crafting the ultimate car for discerning clients who demand nothing less than perfection. And as the car rolls down a sunlit driveway or glides through city streets, the light catches the paint at just the right angles, causing colors to shift subtly and reveal hidden depths, a visual reminder that this is not simply a car but a statement, a mobile masterpiece that embodies wealth, taste, and the human capacity to transform raw materials into something breathtaking. And it is exactly this combination of exclusivity, artistry, and engineering that makes this Rolls-Royce paint job a topic of fascination, conversation, and admiration among car enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who appreciates the finer things in life, as it represents the pinnacle of bespoke automotive design, proving that with enough vision, skill, and resources, a car can